too. So this one's really hard for him to get everything out of there, and there's all kinds of things in there. So if you're new to this, make sure you don't make a box this difficult. But because Pico gets them all the time, the more I challenge him, the more time it will take, and ultimately the more fun he'll have with it because of the challenge, as long as I do it slowly. So I'm gonna just let the camera run and see how long it takes for him to get everything out of here. And I'm gonna hang out nearby and potentially add food if he gets frustrated and wants to give up. But he can hear the food in there, so he's going for it. And the top of the box is starting to open, and I could always make it easier too. I could help, because this behavior, get-a-ding, could turn into frustration if he doesn't figure out some reward soon. And I would like him to succeed soon, so he stays with it. So I'm gonna get in here and help him a little bit. Oh, he did it. I was gonna open the box for him, but he did. So there's a toy that has fabric, and he's like, that one's too hard. I'm gonna go get the easier stuff first. Think you got it all? Let's check. Let's see if you got it all. And we'll see how much time it takes for me to clean up. Okay, so less than 5 minutes of prep, and I just think a couple minutes to clean it up. And how long has this been going? 25 minutes for him to have fun. Pretty cool.